Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Alam niyo ba, ang tagal po namin hinintay nito. So, we're really happy to see everyone. Sorry po, hindi ko po makita yung nasa likod. Ayun! Ayun po, sa inyong lahat! Ayan. So, ngayon po, sasayahin po namin kayong lahat. Ready na po ba kayo? Okay, ito pong next song na kakantahin ko. I'm pretty sure na alam niyo po itong lahat. So, sana po sabayan niyo ako and sana po ma-enjoy niyo.
Sleeping, I stay up and think of you, and I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you looked in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? 'Cause I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So I wait for the day, for the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Late at night when I'm sleeping, I stay up and I still can't believe